everybody, and welcome back to Asiatic Wares. Hope you're having a fantastic day, fantastic week, and I hope you're looking forward to the new year. I know I am. In today's video, I'm just going to share with you a few things I recently ordered from bbcraft.com. And a quick question, are any of you like me when you place an order for something and then it takes a while for it to get to you, and then by the time it comes to you, you're looking at it like, is that what I ordered? Why did I order that? And I'm sitting here looking at this stuff, and I'm trying to figure out, why did I order that? What was on my mind? What was I thinking? But at any rate, I'm going to open it up for you guys so you can see what I ordered. And I'll come back another time and maybe show you what I made with these items. Okay, so first up we have the Heishi beads. And these are tiny little things. They're smaller than what I imagined they would be. But I think they're about 1.5 centimeters maybe. But at any rate, they're about five of these little packs in here. This is the natural Rhodochrosite, and I don't know if my lighting is being kind to it so that you can see it, but there it is. It's like a very soft pink color. Hopefully you're able to see that. And we also have the jasper. I think this is picture jasper. We have African turquoise, which is a very deep green and brown color. And on these, it's kind of hard to see because they're so tiny. They almost look black, but there's some green in there, almost like a moss color. We have the Amazon, nope, not yet. This is the turquoise. And then we have the Amazonite. So these come in handy. They will have to stay in this little storage case because I wouldn't even try to put these in any other storage case that I have because they will just get lost. Okay, the next little package we have here are some ball head pins. And these are, I believe, all the same. They are different lengths, but I needed some ball head pins. I don't have any, and I don't currently own a torch in order to make my own. So for these, I needed to buy some, and they seem pretty sturdy. They're not too many of them are bent, which is always good. And I'm glad that they came in different lengths. And so these are just gold ball head pins. And again, in a nice handy little storage case, so this will definitely come in handy. Okay, next up I have some gold, some silver, and these are pendant or could be earring hoops. They're in the teardrop shape. And so that's the silver. And I am on the struggle bus. Hear me opening this package tonight, but bear with me. I'm going to get through it. And so here is the gold. So we have the gold teardrops, and then I have the silver teardrops. And these can be used either for pendants or as what I'm going to use them for, earrings. Okay, now this bag. On first glance, I'm looking at it and I'm like, this is not what I ordered. I'm feeling really skeptical about it because it just doesn't look familiar. Then I realized it was a kit, and in the picture, all of the beads are together in one group, and the way it's mailed out, all the beads are separated. So to me, I'm like, where did all of this extra stuff come from? Because I didn't order this. But it's a jewelry kit. It's wooden beads of different shapes, sizes, colors, but it's all wooden, some natural beads, some colored. So we have these like little rondelle spacer size. We have these colorful round beads. I've always wanted these. Different patterns, geometric shapes on them. And these are very similar, but just in a different shape. These are more rounded, whereas these are more barrel shaped, I guess. I have plenty of these. These are dark brown. These look black, and they're small round ones, maybe about 4 to 6 centimeters. Look to be about the same size. These are brown wooden beads. These are a very different shape. Let's see if I can take one out and show you. I don't even know what shape to call it. I don't know if you can see that detail that's on there. It's kind of like a barrel, but it's just got a different little shape to it. But those are kind of cool. And then you have the natural wooden beads in the oblong barrel shape. I don't know. And then of course they give you the stretch cord, which is 0.8 size. I think I said that already. So that is my haul from bbcraft.com. It's just a little easy haul. I do plan to make some earrings and some bracelets out of these. Just some little items I can have just to kind of beef up the shop. And it was thought that I was going to start doing a little bit more, in-person events, but I don't know now with everything that's starting up again, seems to be and going on in the world. I don't want to expose myself unnecessarily. A lot of events were canceled that I knew about. So at this point, I'm just going to use this stuff to beef up the shop, give as gifts, wear it myself. I don't know. We'll see. But just wanted to come on and share with you all what I recently received from bbcraft.com. I'll be back in another video or two just to show you what I'm doing with these items and how I'm mixing and matching and adding some other things that I already have in my supply. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. I do hope you come back again to see what's next. Have a great, great new year.